Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make English toffee candy. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Combine the butter, sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is key for perfect toffee.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And on another note, just like you wouldn't settle for bland toffee, don't let your feet suffer. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your toffee reaches temperature, remove it from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in the vanilla extract and that pinch of salt. Be careful, as it will be very hot. Then, pour the hot toffee onto a baking sheet that you've lined with parchment paper. Use an offset spatula to spread it evenly, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Work quickly before it sets. While the toffee is still warm, sprinkle 1 cup of chocolate chips evenly over the top. Let them sit for a few minutes to melt, then spread the melted chocolate smoothly across the entire surface. For an extra touch, sprinkle 1/2 cup of your favorite chopped nuts over the chocolate. Now, let it cool completely at room temperature until it's firm and ready to break.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.